Hey there, welcome to a new video. In this video, we are going to review the Apple AirPods 1. Although I've already unboxed it and have been using it for more than 4 months now, but I'm going to do a fake unboxing for you guys. So we have the paperwork and the manual here, designed by Apple in California. So here we have these manuals which contains all the instructions to operate the AirPods to connect them with your different Apple devices. So let's just keep it aside for a minute and have a look at the box of the AirPods itself. It really looks beautiful. Let's remove it from the box, and here we have our AirPods. And this is the lightning port through which we charge our AirPods, and this is how it looks. I think it looks more like a soap case. And here comes your wireless headphones, earphones or AirPods, whatever you call them. So this is how the AirPod looks. It's having a premium feeling and look as well. Plus these are very comfortable when you use them. This is how they look on ear. Now let's connect our AirPods with the phone. So first of all, when you open this, you can see that it will show this kind of pop-up which would show you how much your AirPods and the box is charged, and then they'll get connected to it automatically. In order to connect these AirPods with your laptop / MacBook, you just have to press the button beside them. You have to hold it for some second, and then you will see this AirPods pop up, and then you just have to click on the connect button, and then they'll get connected. It's up to you whether you want to enable the Siri or not. These AirPods having amazing sound and next level of comfort. They work great in Apple's ecosystem. The moment you switch to another device, they get connected to it in a fraction of seconds. This is the lightning port through which we charge the AirPods. I'm gonna charge these using my iPhone's charger, although we get a cable inside the box, but I'm not going to use it. So this is the charger and it's the lightning cable. So I'm inserting the cable inside the connector, and the charging has started. You can see this red orangish light which shows it is charging, and now this green light shows that they are completely charged. In the end, I would say you can consider buying them. They have pretty decent audio quality, plus they doesn't make you feel like you're wearing anything in your ear. Currently I'm wearing them as they help me to edit the videos, and they work great with your Apple's ecosystem. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, then consider liking, commenting and sharing the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.